Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from DHL. DHL is hiring 2022 pass out batch for the role of development, testing and support. These roles will be decided based on your performance in the interview and the skills which you mentioned in your resume. Qualifications should be either BE, BTech, MCA or BSc degree. What are the branches eligible? I'll discuss in this video. Eligibility is 60% in your graduation. There is no percentage criteria for 10th and 12th. Job location will be in Chennai. What are the other details, how to apply, everything we will discuss in this video. Also we will discuss what is the selection process. So let's get started. Once you'll click on the apply link which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. Here they posted the job. Here you can see about the branches eligible. So branches eligible are computer science, triple E, ECE, IT. These are the branches eligible. And if you have done BSc, then your branch should be computer science only. You should have at least 60% or 6 CGPA. Okay, 6 CGPA in your graduation. And yeah, a strong communication skill is required. Now here you can see role. Now let me tell you about selection process. So selection process, there will be total 4 rounds. First round will be online assessment. In the online assessment you need to solve aptitude, logical reasoning, numerical ability, English and 2 level coding questions. Okay, 2 level coding means medium level coding question, not easy. Okay, level 1 is easy level, level 2 is medium. Or okay, yeah. So after that, once you clear this assessment, after that you will be called for group discussion, okay, or presentation skill. Okay, after that, once you qualify this round, then you will be eligible for technical interview. After that you will be eligible for HR interview and offer process. So how to apply? You need to click here of apply for this job. Once you click here apply for this job, after that here you will find 2 options. First one is proceed without resume, second one is upload resume. So what is the difference between them? So once you click on the proceed without resume, then you need to enter your all the details manually. If you click upload resume, then your few details will be filled automatically. Okay, so I suggest you go with upload resume, but you can select proceed without resume also. Okay, but you need to upload your resume. Okay, if you proceed without a resume. So fill this form, after that submit, save and next. After that fill other details, then submit. That's it. Now let me tell you, there is very big announcement from Unacademy. Unacademy is conducting all India mock test for GATE 2022, and they will conduct these mock tests on every Sunday from January 2 to January 30. And main important part is this mock test is for free. You can enroll for free. You will find link in the description box. Once you click on that link, then you will find this page. Here you can see about the details, like mock test dates are 2nd January, 9th January, 16th January, 23rd January and 30th January. What you need to do, you need to enter your mobile number, then verify, then enroll for free. That's it. Another announcement is Unacademy is conducting Unacademy Combat on 2nd January at 11 AM. There you will have 20 questions. You need to solve 20 questions in 60 minutes. There will not be any negative marking. Question type will be MCQ type. Eligible branches are mechanical, civil, ECE, EE, CS and IT. And this Unacademy Combat is also for free. You will find link in the description box. So once you click on that link, then you will find this page. Here you need to click here enroll now. Once you click here enroll now, after that here you need to enter enroll any one of the course like mechanical engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineering, CS and IT, ECE. You can enroll according to your branch. Once you click here enroll, then you need to verify your email ID or mobile number, anyone you can prefer, and in the invite code you can use my invite code, that is ANUTIW10. You will find this invite code or referral code in the description box. No need to worry. Okay, now let me tell you, if you purchase Unacademy subscription, Unacademy GATE and ESE subscription, then you will get 10% discount if you use my referral code. So you will find link in the website in the description box of this website. So here you can see the two options. First one is plus, second one is iconic. You can select either plus plan or iconic plan. Suppose if you want to select plus plan, then you need to click here, select plan, select plus. After that you can choose any one of the plan, like 24 months plan, 18 month plans, 12 months plan, or view other plans. Okay, if you use my referral code, that is ANUTIW10, once you use my referral code and click here apply, after that you can see we got 10% discount. Okay, so we got 10% discount. So if you want to purchase Gate and ESC subscription, then don't forget to use this referral code, because you will get 10% discount. Okay, yeah, so that's it from my side. So while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, you will find link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.